Good day, everyone. We will be presenting our research proposal entitled Promotional Strategies of Selected Cafes in Silang, Cavite, based on coffee health benefits. The researchers in this proposal are yours truly, Carmina Hyfa Gabayno, Miss Janah Galarita, Miss Aizel Jabonero, and Miss Gertrude Rosales.
The purpose of this study is to identify the effective promotional strategies of selected cafe within Silang, Cavite based on the perception of personnel regarding the health benefits of coffee.
Background of the study. Coffee is today's second most consumed beverage after water. It is also the second most traded commodity after petroleum. Verily, it is considered as an asset of the Philippines which undeniably became part of people's lives. That is according to Mr. Antonio in 2019. Millions of people worldwide enjoy the freshly brewed or instant coffee to start their day and to boost their energy. Every cafe has their own brand product of coffee and promotional strategies to persuade their consumers of buying it. And since there's no previous research study about the perceptions of personnel regarding the health benefits of coffee, we're here to tackle about that today.
Thus, we conducted 5 research questions. What are the promotional strategies utilized by personnel of selected cafe in Silang, Cavite in terms of health benefits of coffee? Is there a relevance of utilizing promotional strategies on the improvement of cafe personnel perceptions among coffee health benefits? What are the health benefits of coffee products being sold by selected cafes in Silang, Cavite? Thus, we conducted 5 research questions. What are the demographic profile of the participants? What are the promotional strategies utilized by personnel of selected cafe in Silang, Cavite in terms of health benefits of coffee? Is there a relevance of utilizing promotional strategies on the improvement of cafe personnel perceptions among coffee health benefits? What are the health benefits of coffee products being sold by selected cafes in Silang, Cavite?
Scope and limitation of the study. The overall participants of the study were composed 9 personnel. Other cafe personnel which do not fall as part of 4 selected cafe in Silang, Cavite are not within the scope of this study. This study is limited only to the selected cafe in Silang such as Coffee Project, Twin Beans Cafe, Pastelo Cafe Silang, and Cafe Tribu. This study did not include some variables of a cafe such as business background, other business product, and other personal information of the participants for confidential reasons.
This study is beneficial to the following stakeholders of the community: cafe personnel, students, school, and coffee farmers. Due to the variety of these findings and gaps in the review of related literature, it is important for the present study to determine the promotional strategies of selected cafe and perception of their personnel towards coffee health benefits, and also to specify the relevance of 2 variables based on the life experience of the participants. And we need to know the current promotional strategies implemented by selected cafe in Silang, Cavite, which is important for the research study data.
Research design. The method that the researchers used in the study was qualitative type of research. Phenomenological research approach was suitable for this study since it will determine the experience of cafe's personal participants, including their perceptions on the coffee's health benefits. Additionally, the use of phenomenological research approach had achieved accurate descriptions of nature of particular phenomenon in this study.
Local of the study. This research study was conducted through virtual platform due to implemented health precautionary measures to prevent COVID-19. The 4 cafes located in Silang, a municipality of Cavite, where the researcher found the target participants and agreed to answer the prepared research. Participant of the study, the cafe personnel answers during the interview are an important part of data collection. Therefore, researchers ensures the confident and direct participation. Purposive sampling techniques are being used to select the participants since they are knowledgeable, reachable, and suitable enough to be involved of this research study. Another is the CAFÉ personnel, as the participants is included in research title. Therefore, purposive sampling techniques was preferable because it is time and cost effective.
The instrument used was semi-structured interview to gather the necessary data. There is a set of guided questions, yet allowing the researchers to follow the format they prefer and for the participants to freely express their perceptions or insights. A total of 5 open-ended questions were provided. Synchronous interviews were used to interact with personnel through video calls or web conferencing platforms. The researchers have self-made guided interview questions for collecting participants' answers that is useful to create a picture of the phenomenon. The researchers made a letter of consent form to the personnel of the selected CAFÉ in Silang, Cavite before a semi-structured interview had been laid in the study. Afterwards, the researchers executed a general 3 types of questions, such as main interview questions, planned follow-up questions, and spontaneous follow-up questions.
Data analysis. Narrative analysis helped the researchers collect data in a more insightful way while learning about the aspects and value of one's profession. Through the said method, the researchers were able to gather information using the experiences of the participants as they were asked regarding their knowledge on their products, also its health benefits and promotional strategies that they employ in their establishments.
The researchers waited for the approval or validation of the questionnaire before it was finalized. And before conducting a semi-structured interview, we made a letter of invitation with attached consent form to ensure selected participants agreed that their answer are one of the bases of the research proposal. And also, we ensure minimal probability of harm and discomfort that participant could experience during the interview. And additionally, there is an effective explanation of the questionnaires' content to avoid confusion or misunderstanding. The participants' identification was anonymized and their privacy is highly respected. And they are not forced to answer to any moment or could refuse to respond in some questions during the semi-structured interview.